stranger one fine day. All he spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to say. No one dared to ask his business, no one dared to make a slip. Stranger there amongst them had a big iron on his head, big iron on his head. It was early in the morning when he rode into town. He came riding from the south side, so he's looking all around. He said, now while you stood running, came a whisper from his sled. And he's here to do some business with the big iron on his head, big iron on his head. In this town we're living out by the name of Texas Red. Many men had tried to take him, and many men were dead. He was vicious and a killer, though he was 24. And the notches on his pistol numbered 1 in 94, 1 in 94. Now the stranger started talking, made it plain to folks around. Was an Arizona Ranger, wouldn't be too long in town. He came here to take an outlaw back alive or made dead. And he said it didn't matter, he was after Texas Red, after Texas Red. Wasn't long before the story was related to Texas Red. But the outlaw didn't worry, men had tried before were dead. 20 men had tried to take him, 20 men had made a slip. 21 would be the ranger with the big iron on his head, big iron on his head. Morning passed so quickly, it was time for them to leave. It was 20 past 11 when they walked out in the street. Those were watching from their windows, everybody held their breath. They knew this handsome ranger was about to be his dead, about to be his dead. There were 40 feet between them when they stopped to make them pay. And the swiftness of the ranger is still talked about today. Texas Red had ugly weather, 4 bullets barely ripped. And the ranger's aim was deadly with the big iron on his head, big iron on his head. It was over in the moment and the folks had gathered around. There were 4 of them by the body of their outlaw on the ground. Oh, he might have gone on living, but he made one fatal slip. He tried to match the ranger with the big iron on his head, big iron on his head.